Welcome back to Best Product Reviews. 4K gets thrown around loosely in drone marketing. Some drones genuinely capture native 4K footage from a real sensor, while others digitally upscale lower resolution footage and slap a 4K label on the box anyway. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best 4K drones of 2026, and we're being specific about which of these deliver genuinely sharp, detailed native 4K footage versus interpolated results. We're covering everything from a genuinely excellent budget pick under $250 all the way up to immersive FPV footage and flagship cinema-grade quality. Let's jump in.
At number 5, we have the Potensic ATOM 2. If you assumed genuinely good native 4K video required spending well over $500, this drone exists specifically to prove that assumption wrong, delivering real sensor quality that punches dramatically above its budget price tag. The 1/2-inch Sony CMOS sensor is the real story here, capturing 48 megapixel stills and genuine 4K HDR video with enough dynamic range to hold detail in both bright skies and shadowed ground within the same frame. In testing, a scene with a bright white sailboat against deep green water kept its highlights intact rather than blowing out, a genuinely impressive result at this price. A proper 3-axis mechanical gimbal handles the same stabilization job you'd expect from a much pricier DJI drone, keeping footage level through wind, banking turns, and aggressive panning moves. Flight time is where the ATOM 2 truly separates itself from budget competitors. The Fly More combo includes 3 5200 mAh batteries with a parallel charging hub that fills all 3 in about 1.3 hours, delivering real-world flight times of 28 to 32 minutes per battery, depending on conditions, over 90 minutes of total session time, beating every other sub-250-gram drone tested in its class by a meaningful margin. AI tracking modes like Spotlight and Follow work reliably too, letting you capture smooth subject tracking footage without needing advanced piloting skill. The Potensic ATOM 2 is perfect for budget-conscious buyers who refuse to compromise on genuine native 4K quality, anyone who wants maximum flight time per session, and beginners who want reliable AI tracking without a big investment. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
Next up is the DJI Neo. If you want the simplest possible way to capture genuine 4K footage of yourself without a controller, without complex setup, and without breaking the bank, this remains one of the smartest picks in the entire category. The Neo shoots real native 4K video from a compact palm-sized body, weighing well under the 250-gram threshold, meaning no FAA registration hassle for recreational US flying. What sets it apart from typical budget drones is genuine AI-powered subject tracking, letting it follow and frame you automatically through cinematic preset shot modes like Droney, Rocket, and Circle, footage that would normally require real piloting skill to capture manually. It launches straight from your palm with no controller required at all, and voice commands handle basic operation, making it genuinely the most approachable 4K drone on this list for someone who's never flown anything before. The honest trade-off is flight time. At around 18 minutes per battery in its base configuration, it falls short of the longer sessions offered by pricier drones on this list, so plan on carrying spare batteries if you're shooting for an extended period. But for solo creators, vloggers, and social content producers who want genuinely good 4K footage without any of the complexity, nothing else matches its combination of simplicity and real image quality. The DJI Neo is perfect for solo creators and vloggers who want hands-free 4K footage, complete beginners who want the least intimidating flying experience, and anyone who wants genuine AI subject tracking on a budget. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. Keeping it going with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Engadget specifically calls this drone one that can do it all at a very reasonable price. And when it comes to genuinely versatile 4K capture in a travel-friendly package, it's hard to argue with that assessment. The 1.13-inch sensor paired with a 24mm f1.7 lens delivers real, detailed 4K video at up to 100 FPS, with support for D-Log-M, HLG, and HDR capture. Genuinely professional-grade color and dynamic range tools that let you grade footage exactly how you want in post-production, rather than settling for whatever the camera decided to bake in. Still photography reaches up to 48 megapixels, giving you real flexibility to pull high-quality stills from the same flight as your video work. Native vertical shooting capability is also built directly into the gimbal design, a genuinely practical feature given how much modern content lives on vertical phone-first platforms. Reviewers consistently praise its night shot performance too, a genuine weak spot for many competing drones that struggle once the sun goes down. Weighing under 250 grams, it sidesteps FAA registration requirements for recreational flying while still delivering footage that holds up well beyond casual social media clips. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is perfect for creators who want genuinely professional color tools like D-Log-M and HDR in a lightweight package. Anyone who shoots primarily vertical, social-first content, and travelers who want serious 4K quality without registration hassle. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. The runner-up is the DJI Avata 2. If you want 4K footage that feels genuinely different from every traditional drone shot, immersive, first-person, placing your viewer directly in the action rather than watching from a detached bird's-eye view, this FPV drone is the clear category leader. Unlike the traditional GPS hover drones dominating the rest of this list, the Avata 2 is built for FPV flying, meaning you pilot it through goggles that put you directly in the cockpit, capturing genuinely immersive 4K footage as you weave through spaces, dive alongside action, or fly at speeds and angles that a standard camera drone simply can't replicate. This is the drone behind the dynamic, adrenaline-fueled fly-through footage you've seen in action sports content and cinematic reveals, swooping through forests, diving off cliffs alongside athletes, or racing alongside moving vehicles at close range. It requires a genuinely different piloting skill set than standard GPS drones, and there's a real learning curve involved in flying FPV confidently and safely, so it's not necessarily the pick for someone who just wants simple hover and shoot footage. But for creators specifically chasing dynamic, high-energy 4K footage that standard drones physically cannot capture, nothing else on this list comes close to replicating that immersive perspective. The DJI Avata 2 is perfect for action sports and adventure creators, anyone who wants dynamic, immersive fly-through footage, and pilots ready to learn genuine FPV flying skills for a genuinely different creative toolset. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. And the best one is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. This is the best 4K drone of 2026. And while its headline spec is actually 6K capture, that higher resolution sensor is precisely what makes its 4K output the sharpest, most detailed, and most flexible footage available in the entire consumer drone category. The flagship 4/3 Hasselblad branded main sensor captures 100 megapixel stills and genuinely detailed 6K 60 FPS HDR video, which means when you're specifically delivering in 4K, you're working with meaningfully more resolution and detail to downsample from than any drone shooting native 4K straight out of the sensor. The same principle that makes oversampled 4K footage from professional cinema cameras look sharper than footage captured at native 4K resolution. Independent testing measures dynamic range at an impressive 13.8 stops, meaning genuinely high-contrast scenes hold detail in both shadows and highlights rather than blowing out or crushing. For serious colorists, D-Log-M, 10-bit color, and raw frame stacking give you real professional-grade latitude when grading your final 4K deliverable. Battery life reaches an industry-leading 51 minutes, giving you real time in the air to wait for perfect light or reposition for a better shot. And front-facing LiDAR paired with 6 low-light vision sensors means the drone can genuinely see and avoid obstacles even after dark. At around $2,449, it's a serious investment, sitting well above every other drone on this list. But for anyone who wants the single sharpest, most flexible, and most professional-grade 4K footage currently achievable from a consumer drone, nothing else comes close. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is perfect for professional videographers who want oversampled, ultra-detailed 4K output, colorists who need real post-production flexibility, and any serious creator who refuses to compromise on final image quality. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching. That's our top 5 best 4K drones of 2026. Whether you're getting genuine native 4K on a budget with the Potensic ATOM 2, keeping things simple with the DJI Neo, wanting versatile, travel-friendly quality with the DJI Mini 4 Pro, chasing immersive FPV footage with the DJI Avata 2, or demanding the sharpest possible 4K output with the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, there's a genuinely great pick on this list for how you shoot. One last tip. Always check whether a drone's 4K claim comes from a native sensor capture or digital interpolation before you buy. The difference shows up clearly the moment you view your footage on anything larger than a phone screen. If this video helped you decide, hit that like button and subscribe to Best Product Reviews. Drop a comment below letting us know what kind of 4K footage you're chasing and which drone you're going with. We'd love to hear from you. All product links with the latest pricing are in the description. Thanks again for watching and happy flying!